Good morning everyone. In 2024, a 15-year-old student collapsed during an exam because of an extreme stress.
Today we confront a bold question. Is it time to abolish exams in schools?
We will step into different shoes, a student, a teacher, a parent and a principal to share our perspectives.
So let's get started.
Recent surveys reveal that 85% of Indian students are experiencing severe exam stress. Our current education system rewards rote memorization over true learning. Look at Finland. There are no standardized exams, but yet they are fostering creativity and problem solving. Isn't it a time we demand a system that values genuine understanding over superficial testing?
Exams are essential evaluation tools. They are like math simulation in sports. They prepare students for real life challenges by testing discipline and time management. Without exam, how can we objectively gauge progress? Rather than abolishing them, we should refine exams to encourage analytical and creative thinking. You know, it breaks a parent's heart to see their child lose sleep and the self-confidence over the one exam.
Exams often ignore individual talents and daily challenges, like students who can't even have a proper breakfast. What if we replace high-pressure tests with a project or presentation that truly reflects child's abilities? And that would also reduce stress and nurture their potential.
From an administrative view, exams ensure structure, fairness by holding all the students to the same standard. They prevent subjective bias in grading. Discipline and time management are cultivated through rigorous exam preparation. While improvements are needed, completely abolishing exam could remove the accountability that underpins our education system.
You mentioned that exam test discipline, but isn't it the stress from the rote memorization evidence that they fail to measure true understanding?
If replacing exams with projects could lead to subjective grading, how would you ensure fairness for students from diverse backgrounds?
Say, exams ensure fairness, but how do you address the fact that they force all the students into one rigid mode despite different circumstances?
You argue that exams are stressful, but isn't some level of challenge is necessary to build resilience in students?
Challenges do build resilience, but when the pressure becomes overwhelming, it hampers rather than helps growth. Our current exam system pushes the students to extreme stress level, often leading to anxiety and burnout. True resilience is cultivated through balanced challenges, one that encourages critical thinking and learning without compromising our mental health.
An interesting argument. If exams are meant to assess learning but they only encourage memorization, are they truly effective? Let's hear the counterpoint.
While rote memorization can indeed be stressful, exams are not solely about memorizing facts. They also assess problem solving, critical thinking and ability to apply concepts in new ways. This stress often comes from external factors like excessive syllabus or poor preparation method, not from exam format itself. By reforming our study method, we can reduce stress without losing discipline that standardized testing instills.
A powerful point. Should exams determine a child's worth? But can we ensure fairness without them? Let's hear the other perspective.
Project-based assessment can be standardized using clear rubrics and consistent guidelines, which allow evaluators to assess creativity, effects, and problem-solving skills objectively. While no system is completely free of subjectivity, project provides a more holistic evaluation by considering factors beyond rote memorization.
So, exams help measure discipline and preparedness. But at what cost? Let's hear the other
Exams
side.
are designed to provide a level playing field by evaluating everyone against the same standard, ensuring basic competency. While it's true, a single test cannot capture every nuance of individual potential, uniformity of exams prevent bias and subjectivity.
Rather than abandoning exams, we can introduce supplementary measures such as adaptive support and project-based components to accommodate diverse circumstances without sacrificing fairness.
We need an education system that challenges us positively, not one that pushes us to our breaking point.
A reformed exam system provides a fair and structured framework that holds students accountable and prepares them for life.
After hearing this impassioned argument, what do you think? The exams are necessary, crucible, that they build our future, or do they simply crush our creativity and spirit?
Isn't it time we re-examine our education system? Are we ready for change? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below.
The solution is not complete abolition of the exam, but there should be a mixed methods along with the exams. There should be projects, there should be presentations which encourages the creativity of the children, and it also prepare them for the real world. Thank you.